How to fix an Android not charging issue. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix an Android not charging issue. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, ensure the cable and adapter are functioning by trying a different set or testing on another device. If this is not the reason, then you need to make sure to restart your device. Hold the power button on your device and then swipe towards restart to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the charging issues. Other thing is, you need to make sure that your software is up to date. If issues persist, consider a factory reset as a last resort. So, in order to update your software, you need to head towards settings and search for the updates, and there you will get the option of software updates as well. Select the software update option, and if there is any updates available, you need to simply download and install it. And once you do that, after backing off your data, you need to factory reset. For that, again, you need to search for a reset option, and waiting a few seconds, you will get a list of all the reset options where you can simply tap on erase all data and tap erase all data and enter your lock screen password and factory reset your device. If the problem continues, the battery may need to be replaced. You can contact a professional service center for assistance. So that is how we can easily fix Android not charging issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.